Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Yootech, and your phone so charging is immediate. Plug the supplied cable into a 5V/2A or QC adapter and power the pad. The LED indicates standby. You position the pad on a stable, level surface and clear metal or magnetic accessories from the back of your phone. Once done, align the phone center with the pad's coil area. You'll feel the phone settle, and make sure cases are thin enough for power transfer. You now initiate charging by placing your phone onto the Yootech pad. Look for the LED change or the phone's charging icon to confirm. If charging doesn't start, slide the phone within about 1/2 inch to find the coil's sweet spot. Small shifts matter. Make sure the adapter is rated properly because low-power chargers slow charging. If the phone warms up, enable airplane mode or low-power mode to reduce background drain and improve charging efficiency. You finish by removing the phone once it reaches the desired battery level. Avoid leaving it on the pad overnight to minimize heat. If charging fails, first swap the USB cable or adapter and try another compatible phone to isolate the problem. Make sure your case is not thicker than recommended. Remove metal or magnetic accessories. If charging is intermittent, reposition and confirm firmware or OS updates on the phone, because software can affect wireless charging negotiation and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.